Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including the Nebeus wallet, are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the Nebeus wallet. Nebeus wallet, a safe and versatile crypto solution. The Nebeus wallet is a multifaceted cryptocurrency wallet seamlessly integrated within the Nebeus ecosystem. It's designed for users of all levels, from newcomers to seasoned crypto veterans, who are seeking a secure and robust platform to manage, grow, and borrow against their digital assets. Whether you're just beginning your crypto journey or looking for a comprehensive solution to meet your evolving financial needs, the Nebeus wallet offers a compelling suite of features. Supporting a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins such as USDT, Nebeus allows users to hold, transfer, and manage a diverse portfolio of digital assets. Its deep integration with the Nebeus platform unlocks additional advantages like crypto-backed loans, lucrative savings programs, and convenient exchange services. Accessing your funds and utilizing the wallet's features is effortless thanks to its user-friendly interface, optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. Security is paramount for Nebeus. The wallet employs bank-grade security measures, including robust data encryption and secure cold storage, to safeguard user funds from potential cyber threats. Furthermore, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and rigorous identity verification processes protect all user accounts. Nebeus adheres to strict financial regulations, ensuring the secure handling of your assets and personal information. One of the key differentiators of the Nebeus wallet is its remarkable financial flexibility. Users can leverage their crypto holdings to access crypto-backed loans without having to sell their assets, providing much-needed liquidity when opportunities arise. The wallet also offers an attractive savings feature, allowing users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency deposits and transform idle assets into a passive income stream. Additionally, the built-in exchange facilitates seamless swapping between different cryptocurrencies and converting them to fiat currency. Nebeus prioritizes customer support and maintains a commitment to transparency, providing clear and concise terms for all its financial services. The platform is designed for anyone looking to maximize the utility of their crypto assets while ensuring their security. In summary, the Nebeus wallet effectively combines robust security with a versatile suite of financial tools, making it a dependable choice for managing and utilizing your cryptocurrencies. If you're searching for a secure and feature-rich wallet, Nebeus is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started with the Nebeus wallet today.